Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Creators Alliance. Is this legit or just another scam in 2025? Let's get right into it. Creator Alliance was pitched as a platform where you could earn money by watching videos and uploading content. It's become pretty popular, especially in Caribbean with claim of over 5 million users. Sounds good, right? But then suddenly, in April 2025, the whole thing collapsed. Users found themselves locked out, unable to withdraw money, and communication just vanished. Now, regulation is in the Bahamas state and called out Creators Alliance for showing clear signs of a pyramid scheme. Basically, the model relied on recreating more people's rather than real content creation or actual earning. Plus, it was operating without any official license, meaning it wasn't authorized to do business there. Many users shared stories of how they were promised easy money, invested a lot, but ended up with nothing. To make matters worse, it looked like AI generated messages were used to keep people engaged, which only added to the mistrust. So, if you're thinking about joining Creator Alliance or something similar, be very careful. The science points to this being a scam, and it's better to stay safe and avoid losing your money. Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and guides. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.